This is the HobbyPark AA battery holder for RC cars that have a connector like this to power them. It does come with an on-off switch. This is the only model I could find of this holder that had this connector and took 4 AA batteries that fit into my RC car and worked. The on-off button I don't use because it has a different connector and I already have an on-off button on my RC car. But this works really well. I use this in my Thunder Tiger EB4. The batteries fit in here really nicely, just like the standard one that came with the Thunder Tiger EB4. Works really well, had no issues with this so far. The batteries are as easy to remove as the OEM one that came with the Thunder Tiger, which are a little bit challenging, but that's just expected with a design like this. These clips kind of hold the battery in place, so you're not going to get a battery that just falls out, so I like that, especially with the speed that these RC cars go at and how they kind of bounce around quite a lot. So I like that batteries can't just pop out, so I'm okay having them being a little more challenging to remove. So if you're looking for a AA battery holder for your RC car with a connector like this, get this one from HobbyPark. Ignore the on-off button, just put that to one side and this will work for you if your car has a connector like this, like I do.